Hello and welcome back, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the foundation chain stitch. This is a really good stitch for when you're making a long project like a blanket or a scarf and you're doing it from one direction. So anything like over like 50 stitches, for example, this is a really good idea, and you can use it on double crochets, half double singles. I'm going to show you how to do it on a double crochet because I think that's easiest for you to actually be able to see on camera, but you can adjust it for all of the others. And basically what this does is it changes it up from having it will change it up from doing a chain and then going back and doing all your double crochets, because I very often get my particularly if I've got working around. If I've got working the right round, I'll end up getting the chain twisted and it all ends up going wrong. So if I'm ever working in a round or on a long flat piece, I will quite often do this. So let's have a look at this. So we're going to start off with a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. And then in that very first chain that you did, you're going to start doing a double crochet. So yarn over and pull through. So you've got 3 loops on your hook. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our yarn and we're just going to pull through the first one. So we're just going to pull through that one there. And then what I always do is I pinch that stitch and I hold it pretty tightly so I don't lose it. And then we're going to finish off our double crochet, 1 and 2, and then we're going to yarn over and we're going to go into that area that I was holding on to. So there's a chain stitch just there, and I'm just going to put my hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing again. So I'm going to yarn over that first one and then pull through. I'm going to pinch that stitch in place, then I'm going to pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So I'll do that again. Yarn over into that pinch stitch, pull through, yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So yarn over into that pinch stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 1, pull through 1. Again, there's the pinch stitch just there, that's the stitch that we're working in. So I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to go into that chain stitch, yarn over and pull through 1, and then yarn over and pull through 2 and pull through 2. I'll do a couple more. So now I'm just going to try and zoom in a bit on that so we can have a look. So I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to work into that chain. Let's see, I've let it go and I've lost it now. So this is why I always pinch that stitch, because if I let go of the stitch I usually end up losing it. So there we go, through the chain there, pull up, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. I'm going to do that one more time, into that chain stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, pinch that stitch in place, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now I'm just going to zoom out show you what we've got so far. And there you go. That there is a chain and foundation double, well, it's the double crochets done into the foundation chain. So from this point, you can, if you were to do a flat piece and you're turning your, sorry, I'll just knock the camera. If you were turning your work, you would just carry on crocheting as normal. So you would just do your chain, your turning chain, and then crochet along as you normally would, for example. Or if you're working around, what I would do is I would find my very first stitch that I would like to join in, which would be in the top of the 3 chain that you did at the beginning. Then bring the work around, and then I would bring that through that chain, and then I would do my chain, and then I would just carry on working in the round. And like I say, you can do this method with all of the other stitches, single crochet, half double crochet, treble crochet, all of those are American terms, by the way. And it does make it a lot easier than messing around with chains and getting the chain twisted, etc. So there you go, that is how you do a double crochet foundation chain. Thanks ever so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's any stitches that you would like to see, put them in the comments below and I'll see if I can make a video on them. Talk to you later. Bye.